Okay. Chest signs and symptoms, feeling of oppression of the chest. Feeling of oppression of the chest. A feeling of oppression of the chest in the translation of Chinese term, Xiongmen, Western patient, at least in Anglo-Saxon countries, would seldom use this term and report these symptoms as a feeling of tightness, discomfort in the chest, or sensation of having a weight on the chest. A feeling of oppression of the chest accompanied by a cough and expectoration of phlegm indicates retention of phlegm in the lungs, which is the most common cause of the symptoms. A feeling of oppression of the chest without a cough and without expectoration of phlegm and accompanied by slight breathlessness, sighing, and feeling of a lump in the throat indicates stagnation of a lung qi with lung qi failing to descend. This is usually caused by emotional problems such as sadness or worry. Although a feeling of lump in the throat is usually related to liver qi stagnation. Stagnation of lung qi caused by emotional problem is a very frequent cause of these symptoms together with a feeling of oppression of the chest. Another very common cause of feeling of oppression of the chest is rebellious qi of the penetrating vessel, and is more common in women. However, before diagnosing rebellious qi of the penetrating vessel, we should check whether the feeling of oppression of the chest is accompanied by other relevant symptoms, such as abdominal distension or fullness pain or fullness around the umbilicus or epigastric tightness. In a few cases, a severe stagnation of liver qi from emotional problem also may cause feeling of oppression of the chest. For summary, feeling of oppression of the chest, phlegm in the lungs, slight breathlessness, sighing, stagnation of lung qi, sighing, feeling of lump in the throat, rebellious qi of the penetrating vessel, abdominal fullness, epigastric fullness, severe liver qi stagnation, depression, and irritability. Thank you for your attention.